Hey fam, thanks so much for joining me. I'm LatiaAshley here again with your update on the new stimulus package that was just finally signed by our President Trump. Okay, so here are some of the main details with $900 billion package. It's been signed. Okay, this is the COVID relief stimulus check. So basically, President Trump just signed for the $600 for every adult and $600 for every child dependent. Okay, so just recently, I don't know how much you're updating yourself, but recently President Trump said that $600 was not enough. $2,000 should be what we'd be getting. Okay, somehow he ended up signing for the $600 anyway, but there are hopes that possibly he will have the amendment signed to increase the stimulus package or increase the stimulus checks from $600 to $2,000. So basically, once we get the $600, we should hopefully get $1,400. That's our hope. That's our prayer, because I know we all could use it. So that's that. Okay. And then the $300 per week unemployment assistance, the extension for another 11 weeks, including the PUA and the PEUC, has been added to this. So if you are unemployed, if you've been getting unemployment before and recently it just got cut off because it ran out, the weeks have ended, then this new bill will help with that. So I'm not sure exactly what the layout is going to be as far as the application, if we'll have to just continue to recertify. I don't know what the details are yet, but I will keep you updated on all the application processes as I can. And then also included in the stimulus package is the second PPP round. So if you did not apply for the PPP before and you want to get into that, then you can do that. And then, of course, the new targeted EIDL grants, which means that the SBA is going to be issuing out grants as well as loans. This package just got signed, so there are still updates that need to be had. I don't know officially every single detail about it, but I will keep you updated. I will call SBA directly myself and find out as much information as I can and update you on what's available. And the rental relief, if you need rental assistance, you want to contact your state government and see what available programs are out there so that you can get help with your home and staying in your home. Now, thank you all for joining me. First of all, if this is your first time, thank you for coming. Please like and subscribe and comment, okay? I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad you're here. Now, in my last video, I showed everyone how to actually fill out the SBA EIDL loan. It's a great video. It's step-by-step process. However, I've been getting so many emails and so many comments and questions about additional things with the loan and the grant. And, there's all these things going on. Okay, thank you, but I'm overwhelmed in a good way. I want to help every single one of you. The only thing is I have limited time just as much as you. So in the last video, I said that I am willing to offer the services to assist you further. If the video was not enough and you still need help, I'm able to help you because I have been approved for the loan myself and received a grant and was able to help additional people that I know, my family and friends. Some people, again, in the video I said and talked about a friend that got $100,000 and another one got $63,000, and just the list goes on. I know some of the things that the SBA is looking for. I also understand the process, and I also understand some of the forms that they're requesting. So here's the deal. If you need additional assistance, the quickest way to get to me is to email me with the email address that I put in the description box below. And say, just send me the $100 through Cash App, and my Cash App handle is in the description as well. And that way I will know you are one of my first priorities. That way I can service you. You will get my attention, and I will definitely help you get your question answered. Whether I got to make phone calls, do research, I will do my best. So services are there. If you need help, I am here to help you. I just want everybody to get through this crazy year. 2021 is coming up. It's going to be great. I believe God has great things for us. So, and here's my shameless plug, okay? This is a faith channel, okay? I love God. So, although I'm talking about finances, I'm also talking about faith. Stick around because, if anything else hits the fan in this country or around the world, God is our source and we are thankful and grateful. So anyway, I just wanted to put that out there because I love Jesus and I want you to love Jesus too. And if you love Jesus, thank you. You're a part of the family. If you're not, email me. I would love to pray for you. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you guys. I love y'all. So stick around and I'll be back. God bless you.